Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crazy Guys. Today we are going to learn the chapter 7 triangles in the maths book of ninth class semester 2. Let's see the definition of a triangle. A simple closed figure formed by the three line segments is called triangle. Once read this guys. Triangle has three vertices, three angles and three sides. Vertices in this triangle, vertices are A, B and C. Vertices A, B and C. Angles. Angle A can be represented as ABC or CBA. Angle B and angle C also can be represented in the same way. The sides. Sides are representative lengths. Imagine AB is the first side. Suppose this is 3 centimeters. This represents the length of a side of a triangle. AB, BC and CA are the sides of this particular triangle. The sum of the all interior angles of the triangle is 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. The sum of exterior angles of the triangle is 360. The exterior angles, this side and this side. These are the exterior angles of the triangle. The sum of the three exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Types of triangles are given here. Based on sides. Number 1. Equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. Number 2. Isosceles triangle. Any two sides are equal in isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. No two sides are equal. In the scalene triangle, no side is equal. Based on angles, there are three triangles. Acute angle triangle. All three angles are acute. The meaning of acute is less than 90 degrees. Right angle triangle. One angle is 90. One angle is 90 degree angle. Straight line and angle is 90 degree angle. In right angle triangle, there is one angle which is in the measurement of the 90 degrees. Obtuse angle triangle. One angle is obtuse. What meaning of obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. Let's move. Each angle in a quadrilateral in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. In a equilateral triangle, each angle have 60 degrees of measurement. The angles in the right angle isosceles triangles are 45 degrees and 90 degrees. 45 plus 45 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. This is the interior angle of the isosceles triangle. These are the measurements of the interior angles of an isosceles triangle. Congruent figures. The figures with the same size, shape are called congruent figures. The figures which have same size and same shape are called congruent figures. To prepare or produce an identical object, we need the congruency. Example, bangles of the same size. Take two bangles of the same size and see them. They are of the same size. They are of the same size and same shape. These are called congruent figures. So let's move. All the lines and rays are always congruent. The line segment with the same measure of the length are congruent. Angles with the same measure of angles are congruent. Meaning, the angles with the same measure of angles. If the measure of the angle is 90 degrees, the other angle with the measure of the 90 degrees is congruent. The meaning of congruent is with the same shape and same size. Equilateral triangles with the same sides are congruent. Squares with the same sides are congruent. Rhombus with the same sides or the same angles are congruent. Rectangle with the equal length and breadth are congruent. Regular polygons with the equal sides are congruent. Congruent triangles. This is the main topic. Once see this. If the sides and the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and the angles of the other triangle, the triangles are congruent. If the sides and the angles of one triangle, suppose take a triangle and imagine the sides of the triangle and angle is ABC 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Take another triangle with PQR and imagine the sides as 1, 2 and 3. These two triangles have same angle and same sides length. So these are congruent triangles. Remember this point. This helps in studying the chapter. Corresponding vertices. If ABC and if triangle ABC and triangle PQ are congruent, then it indicates triangle ABC is congruent. This is the symbol of congruent. This helps to understand the chapter. This symbol represents the congruent. So let's continue. Triangle PQR. Corresponding vertices. A is corresponding to P. If take two triangles ACB and PQR with the same measurements and same angles, then A is corresponding vertices to P, B is corresponding vertices to Q, and C is corresponding to R. Okay. Here AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Angle A is equal to P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to R. Now I will demonstrate this point in a notebook. Look at this very carefully. According to this, I am drawing two triangles. Imagine them with the same length. These are the rough diagrams of the two triangles A, B, C, and P, Q, R. Now look at this. According to this book, corresponding angles A is equal to P because the corresponding vertices A, B, C are the vertices of this triangle ABC, and PQ are the vertices of the triangle PQR. Now corresponding vertices A and P are corresponding vertices. B and R are corresponding vertices. C and Q are corresponding vertices. I am recording with one camera, so my handwriting is not nice, guys. See, guys. Now, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Corresponding sides are equal. Now, the sides of the ABC triangle is AB, BC, and CA. The sides of the PQR triangle is PQ, RQ, PR, RQ, and RP. These are corresponding. AB is corresponding to PR, BC is corresponding to RQ, QP is corresponding to CA. Let's continue. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P because this is a congruent figure. Its sides and angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle Q. This is the table given here. I am explaining you with the help of this diagram. CPCT, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. This may come in the bits of your exams. Remember this: CPTC, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. C, corresponding P, parts of C, congruent triangles. Criteria of congruency of triangles. SAS congruency rule. Two triangles are congruent if two sides of SAS congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angles of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included angles of the other triangle. This represents. See this rule, guys. SAS congruency. Two triangles are congruent. Suppose two triangles have same angle and same side. If two sides included angles of one triangle are equal, two sides included angle of one triangle are equal of the two sides of included angles of the other side. This rule is side congruence rule. That's it for today, guys. Thanks.